Go down it. This is a 3-engine tractor class. He had 4 engines. He's sold many, many years with the turbine-powered tractors. The other night over in Springfield, he picked up a 3rd place. And I tell you what, it was the first 3 guys over that night was, how do I want to say this without offending anyone? Well, Ken Benny said it best, all 3 of them was old enough for Social Security. So he said, old people, don't think nothing about it. There's a lot of life left to you, even when you get old enough for Social Security. Out of Akron, Ohio, we've cleared these guys for flight tonight through Vandalia. The flying machine, Mr. Robert Zoyson. And they put one of these little turbines in a mini rod a few years ago. He's watching all the gauges. He got a whole bunch of gauges, a whole bunch of switches to flip, get everything built where it's supposed to be. Oh, we're going to have a light show. RPMs are building in the light homing motors. Less than this and won't be long. Building boost. Bob Coyson, Robert Coyson, the flying machine, the man in the flying machine. Just never got the flying machine hooked up and moving the way it should have. We've got 1 out. We've got 2 out the end so far. Dave Archer, Larry Pekarsky, Kenny Miller coming up next. $245 feet, 6,900, 24569, Robert Coyson. And we got to thank the fine folks at Class Act Carrier Service for helping sponsor something throughout the whole night. Class Act, located on State Route 503, Camden, Ohio, owned and flown by Butch and Carmel Hobbs. Robert Coyson and the flying machine. We'd also like to thank Ron and Tammy Good of Good Railroad. That's all for the quarter soybean special. James Repair Towing in Camden. Dennis C. Payne, trucking in Hamilton, Ohio. They are looking for drivers. They get 2 shots within 100 feet as long as they try to stop. If they try to stop at 400 foot, we'll take them back and give them the second try.
You guys go to